So here is the email list building tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be using lead pages. So before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out lead pages for free. So as you can see, we're already in the website. And on the top here, we have the pricing option. If you click on it, you'll be able to view all the plans that they offer, starting with Pro, Business, Grow, and Optimize. You can also set between monthly and yearly plans. Now, I'll click on Start Free on the top right. You can just click on the link in the description. So once you're signed in, this will be the dashboard of lead pages. You can view different sections on the top right here. Also, you can set the duration for how long you want to see the analytics. And here on the left side, you can see all of these options like pages, sites, pop-ups, ads, and more. For example, on the pages section, you can start creating your own page right from here. Then over here on sites, you can start creating your first site using all of these templates. And in home, you can view all the performance metrics available for everything you create. Now, let's click on Create on the left. Over here, you will get to see this chat box where you can put in your prompt. So I already have a prompt ready asking it to create a web page specifically for email list building. This way, you can easily put in a detailed prompt. Then on the bottom here, you can choose what kind of page you want to create. For example, landing page, new website, or a pop-up. So you can go through the options and choose according to your needs. For now, I'll just stick with landing page. Then over here, we have the templates option. From here, you can view a lot of options to choose from. Just scroll through or use the search bar or any of these sections. But for now, we won't be using any template. Next, we have the option to attach image, attach files, and more. You can also upload an HTML file for lead pages to work on. Then, we have the option to connect integrations. For example, if you click on it, you can choose different platforms to build the pages from. For example, for ad campaigns, we have some options. Then, for products, we have Shopify, Stripe, and more. After that, for your email campaigns, we have options like MailChimp, Klaviyo, and more. Then, we have the voice input option. Also, over here, you have some pre-made prompts you can use. Then, the build from your tools option from where you can choose any of these tools. Just click on Connect for whichever one that you want. Then we have the template section again. After that, we have this section that shows the popular actions used by many users. For now, let's just click on Create Page on the top right here. And as you can see, our prompt has been submitted and Lead Pages is processing the prompt. It may take a while, so give it some time to get done. So as you can see, it's now ready. You will get to view your web page just like this. You can scroll through and check it out. And to view it in detail, just click on Open in Editor on the top. You will then be brought to this page right here. This is the Lead Pages editing page. Over here, you can select and make changes to any part of the landing page that you just created. For example, let's say we want to change the text right here. Just select whichever part you want and type in the replacement just like this. And it is just flawless. Same way, if you want to make changes to any other part, just select it and make your changes. And after selecting a text, you can view these options on the bottom like bold, italic, and more. And on the right side, you get this pop-up with a lot more options to make customizations. For example, you can change the font of the entire text that you've selected. And as you can see, it changed in real time. After that, we have the boxes where users are supposed to input their information. You can customize this section as well using the pop-up on the right. This way, you can select any element on the page and make your desired changes. You can make changes to the background of the page and even add a background image by uploading from your own device. Or you can search their library to use any of the images available. So this way, just scroll through the page and check it out, then make all your desired changes according to your preference. So once you're done making all the changes, just go ahead and click on Publish on the bottom right corner. Your email list building page will then be published. And that's it. That is the email list building tutorial for beginners.